Hello everyone, in this video I'm taking you back to Nigerian traditional stew known as palm oil stew everyone. So let's dive into it. First, I have my 1 kilo of fresh washed goat meat, super matured fresh goat meat. Alright, so to season this goat meat, I'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of seasoning, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and 1 bay leaf. Next, I will go ahead with my freshly chopped onions and my blended mixture, garlic, ginger, and onions. This makes your meat to be very tasty. After this, I will cover and allow to simmer on a medium flame or low flame for 10 minutes. Keep watching. We are making Nigerian traditional stew. Next, here is my blended freshly homemade tomato paste, and this tomato paste was made with tomatoes, red bell pepper, what we call shombo in Nigeria, that is cayenne pepper. All the quantities will be at the description box. Then I have chili pepper, onions, garlic, half thumb of ginger, and some garlic. So that is what you have in this very plate, blended, boiled, and drained, ready for our traditional Nigerian palm oil delicious stew. So, and for the stew, I have salt, I have curry powder, I have rosemary, dry rosemary, and thyme, I have some seasoning, and then the palm oil. We will not blanch the palm oil, so keep watching and watch to the end. And I also have some mackerel fish known as Titus fish in Nigeria. Like I said, this stew is Nigerian traditional stew. It's very yummy. If you're tired of eating stew made with vegetable oil, give this a try and you will not stop eating it. So to while this aside, we'll check our goat meat. It's almost cooked but not yet cooked, so you notice it has enough water to cook this goat meat. So I will put it on fire for 35 minutes on a medium flame. While that is aside, I'll transfer the already made tomato paste into a pot. Next, I will add my ingredients: seasoning, I will add curry powder, some chopped onions, and then, like I told you, we will not blanch the oil, and for health reason we will not allow the oil to heat up. It all comes out the same method. If you don't like this method, go ahead and blanch or cook your palm oil. So I will allow this to cook for 5 minutes before turning it. While that is aside, after 5 minutes, this is it. The oil boils together and we begin to stir the combine. Stir this on a medium flame. Make sure it does not burn. We'll continue to stir this until you realize the dryness we want. Like I said, this stew was super yummy, and I said let me share it with you, my dear friends. So keep watching and don't go away. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning back. And don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos to your friends and families. So at this point, I will continue to stir the stew for more 5 minutes till I get the dryness I want. Alright, so at this point the stew is dried enough. You could see the difference. So I will go ahead and add my already grilled goat meat. I grilled my goat meat off camera. You could grill or fry your goat meat with the fish. This is super yummy, everyone. It is Nigerian traditional stew known as palm oil stew. Simple but delicious stew, everyone. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this very stew. It's super simple. You know, every time we make stew with vegetable oil, so I decided to try palm oil and it was super delicious. It goes with any rice, yam, beans. The choice is yours. So I would like to cook for 2 minutes. After then, I will add my goat meat stock and allow to cook. So after adding my goat meat stock, I just allowed it to cook for 10 minutes, and after that the stew is ready. Super yummy, isn't it? Alright, stay safe, stay connected. See you all in the next video, and don't forget to let me know what you think about this yummy stew at the comment section. Stay safe and bye for now.